season is here. I can hear people going, most of you have heard of interesting deductions for pets or maybe moving expenses, but are all those deductions legit? Certified Financial Planner Joe Bert is here to talk about it. And Joe, first of all, let's get out of the way when the tax filing deadline is this year, because it's not
April 15th.
The 15th of April.
It's April 18th, which is a Monday.
Why is that?
Well, April 15th this year is a Friday, so what's wrong with Friday? Well, it's because Emancipation Day falls on a Saturday.
Okay.
And Emancipation Day is a national holiday, a federal holiday in Washington.
Okay.
And the rule is if Emancipation Day falls on a weekend, it's got to be to the closest business day, which is Friday. So because it's really going to be celebrated on Friday, technically you don't have to file your taxes until Monday. You get an extra weekend, April 18th.
Okay.
Now you know.
So there you go. So for the procrastinators out there, you get extra time. Okay, so let's dive into these deductions. Pets.
Pets. Well, you can deduct your pet if in fact you use it in your business. So the typical example is you have the junkyard dog, Tom.
Okay.
You have the junkyard dog, and you got to feed the dog, got to care for the dog. The dog's in there, and yes, you can. And if you're moving for job purposes, you got to move 50 miles from your current job. Okay. And the cost of moving your pet is deductible. So if you want to get that first-class ticket on JetBlue, you know.
Of course, we have horse country up in the Ocala area, so a lot of those people have.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah. Okay. So that's very germane.
Legit.
All right. Moving.
Moving expenses, as I said, if you're going to move more than 50 miles from your current job, yes, those moving expenses are deductible, but not the motel or the meals on the way. The cost of moving is deductible.
All right. Music lessons.
This is an interesting one. If your child has an overbite,
okay.
The orthodontist got put in the tax code that if the child takes clarinet lessons, the clarinet and music lessons will cure the overbite, and it could be deductible.
Get out of town.
Honest to gosh.
Holy cow. All right, swimming pools.
Swimming pools, if your doctor signs off on it that you need it for health reasons, even a hot tub, if you need it for health reasons, it can be deductible.
I need to go talk to my doctor. Smoking cessation.
Well, once again, that's for health reasons. Your doctor says you need to quit. The cost of going to the hypnotist or the medication or the patch, whatever it is, that can be deductible as well.
All right, charity work. A lot of people do a lot of charity work.
Well, you can't take a deduction for the time and expense of doing it. However, if you have to have somebody take care of your children, the cost of the daycare may be deductible.
All right, let's talk about e-filing, because you mentioned that in the break. What's going on with that?
Effective last Tuesday, the 19th, the window is open, so if you want to file your taxes, the window is open. Get it in there. If you're expecting a refund, now's the time to do it.
Yeah, a lot of advantages to filing early, right?
Yeah, you get your refund earlier. That's the advantage.
That is the advantage.
That is the advantage. And if you owe, you have until April 18th this year to pay those taxes.
So you figure it out a lot earlier, and you get things together.
That's it, bottom line.
So where can people find you?
Just Google me, Joe Bert, 2 words, B-E-R-T.
All right.